Hi, I am Connie Reza and welcome to Amazing Science Lessons. I have been doing a demonstration lessons on the theme safety, which is rules and responsibilities. And we have been focusing on a monkey teaching us rules. And remember, this is our ebook that's on our website that can be downloaded with everything that you need for this lesson. I am demonstrating one of the days of the lessons. And remember, there's an overview in our ebook. So now, what is the first thing that we need to do to introduce a lesson? Number one is our novelty, which we're using a monkey. And this monkey is called Chicky. And he has been teaching us rules and responsibilities, how to carry our rules in the classroom and in the home and connect the two together. But we've also been studying characteristics about a monkey as well as characteristics about bananas, because that's what they like to eat. And we've also seen throughout the days other things that monkeys like to eat. So when I show the children this, what is this? Immediately they connect to the monkey. Okay, this is the monkey. Now let's review. So the first thing we're going to do after we introduce the monkey, now I'm going to review. Tell me something about the monkey. The monkey has what? A mouth. The monkey has two eyes. And you continue on saying the colors. They come from the where? The jungle. The monkey likes to get on what? A branch. And what is this word? Monkey. The monkeys like to eat bananas. Bananas. Here's a banana. They are soft, they are yellow, and they have a peel. Anyway, review all of this with the children. Then we're also going to review the cycle of the banana, which we learned. Today, let's look at our specific objective. After we review this, today we are going to look at different types of bananas. Now this lesson can be broken down into 2 days. And this is going to be our engagement. And here I have different types of bananas. We have the Cavendish banana, we have the Nino banana, the red banana, and the plantain banana. So as you have noticed, I have a big variety that will really give a spread and a difference between all the different bananas. I try to make them as different as possible. These are very different. They may be the same color, but these are smaller and these are larger. These are red, a different color, different size. And this is one of the huge ones, even though it may look similar to this one. So as you can see the variety that I've chosen. So when you're choosing the bananas, you don't have to choose these ones. These are the ones that are most common, almost in every market. Choose the bananas that are familiar in your area and that would be easier for you to get a hold of. So for this particular lesson, I'm going to put children in groups. This is going to be my engagement after we review, after I've set my specific objective. Now the children go into groups, maybe 2 to 3 children. Each group, one group is going to get a Cavendish banana, and they're going to get to observe it. Another group will get the Nino banana. If it's older group, older children, another group I can give them a red banana. Another group, a few groups, I can give them the plantain banana, which they're going to observe, and they may even get to weigh it and measure it to see how long it is. But this is what they're going to do in their small groups. And of course, they're going to have the handlings to observe. Even though they've had a chance to observe this one, now they're going to get to observe a little one and see what the difference is. We're going to do a comparison. If you choose to do only 2, then you would have 2 different groups. So while the children are actively engaged, while they're observing their banana, and they're looking at it with their magnifier, I am going to prepare my chart. Now we've already discussed it. So now As soon as the children are ready to commence a big group, now we're going to compare. And for video purpose and just to demonstrate two different types, I'm going to show you 4 different types, but we're going to pretend that we were comparing only 2. So first of all, I'm going to have the Cavendish banana, and I'm going to put it right here because we're going to compare. And then I'm also going to have the Nino banana. And all of these words are in your ebook, in the ebook. And then we have the red banana, and then we have the plantain. Now for older children, you can describe each one because each group will have had those bananas to observe. What I'm going to do is, now that the children have had a chance to observe their banana, and I just give them a few minutes. Now, let's describe each banana. Let's go through each one. The group that had the Cavendish banana, let's look at the color. What color is this? Yellow. Okay, so I'm going to put yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. The ones that had this banana, what color is it? Red. So let's go over here and let's put red. Let's say we were also looking at this one. They will also say yellow, same as this one. So yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. And what about the plantain? Well, the plantain is not quite, it's kind of greenish. So let's say greenish, the plantain. G-R-E-E-N. Let's just say green. Okay. Now, let's look at the Nino. How big is the Nino banana? Well, they've had a ruler to measure. They could have, or they could say it's small. Okay, it's small. S-M-A-L-L. How would you describe this one? Large, medium, or small? They probably would say this is medium, right? What about as compared to this one? So you could say that this one is medium. I'm just going to abbreviate for right now, medium. Okay, and now what about this one? Large. Okay, this one is large. L-A-R-G-E. And so the red one would probably be medium. M-E-D. We'll abbreviate too. But you will write the whole word. Okay, how does it smell? Oh, it smells. Children will come up with so many words when you say, what does it smell like? What about this one? Oh, this one smells like apple. Okay, let's say apple. Maybe children will say, it smells like apple. Okay, apple. What about this one? Oh, it smells like sweet. Okay, sweet. S-W-E-E-T. And let's just continue with these ones, just using our 5 senses. How does this one feel? Oh, it feels kind of like a little bit rough. Okay, let's say rough. R-O-U-G-H. What about this one? Oh, this one feels smooth. Smooth. S-M-O-O-T-H. And remember, as you go through each one, you're asking the children, okay, all those that have this banana, how did you think it feels? Yeah, kind of smooth. All the groups that had this banana will probably say that. And what about this one? Oh, this feels like shiny, like also smooth. And you continue to write the descriptions here. Now, what else do we need to describe according to our 5 senses? Does it make any noise? No, no noise. So we'll say no noise. Of course, right now it's no noise. When we start opening it up, we'll see if it makes noise. What about this one? Does it make any noise? No, no noise. So we'll say no noise. So look at all this writing. And all these are words that the children are giving me after their observations. Now, after we finish all of this, talking about all our five senses, how we used our five senses with the banana, now you're going to get to taste one of these bananas, or two. You get to choose two. So what I've done, I have cut up each banana, as you can see here on my table. I'm going to give everybody a small plate, and they're going to get to choose two bananas, two types of bananas. Now, the plantain banana cannot be eaten because this one has to be cooked. It's raw. Of course, they probably can taste it if they want to. It's up to them. Let me tell you what's so interesting. If a child chooses the red banana and the Cavendish banana, now they get to take their magnifier and look at each one. Oh, they both have seeds. One is more yellow than the other one. Let's look at the skin, the peeling. So now they will be able to take the peeling, and what's so interesting, they get to compare the two peelings. So they take this one, and they also take this one, and they'll be able to compare the inside of the peeling of the two with their magnifier. They'll be able to feel it, turn it, and look at the outside and see how it looks. I know this will take a few more minutes than a normal science lesson, but it is well worth it because the children are comparing and contrasting one to the other. And now, these are the ones that they chose. They chose these two, the red banana and the Cavendish banana. And now they'll get to taste the banana and see which one they like best out of the two. Now, you give the children the choice. They can choose either one. Most of the children will choose the red banana. Most of them will choose that one. And then either the yellow or the Cavendish or the Nino banana. Of course, if you give them two choices only, it'll be between the two, and they'll tell you which one they like. So this lesson can be broken down into 2 to 3 days. Very interesting. Children will not get bored with it. After they taste the banana, after they count the number of seeds that were in there, and now they come back and they tell you, oh, this banana, the Cavendish banana, is white inside. White. Okay, W-H-I-T-E. The red banana, the red one, is yellow inside. Oh, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow inside. You see how interesting that is? How much knowledge children will gain just by the observation without me having to talk and give them all the information. They're discovering that themselves. Self-discovery. After they finish this, after they taste it, now which one was your favorite? So let me turn my chart around. So now you've seen how we do this graph. Now let's turn our chart around. And we're going to say, which one was your favorite banana? So they're going to take a little banana, either a sad face or, a happy face or a sad face. And they're going to say, oh, the red banana. And you can also have the picture cards right here, which probably would be a little bit much more clear for them if we have the picture here of each one of the bananas. We're going to look at only two of them. Only the Nino banana and the, can you see that? So let's graph these two. Let's see which one was the favorite. The red banana or the Nino banana. The Nino is the little one. So children will come and get their little banana and they'll say, oh, I didn't like the Nino banana. I really didn't, I didn't like it that much. So he takes his little banana. Okay, let me see. And he'll put it here because he really did not like the Nino banana right here. Then another child comes and he says, my favorite one was the Nino, oh, he did not like the Nino banana, never mind, put it over here. Oh, my favorite was a red banana. That was my favorite. And then another child will come and say, oh, I did not like, I did like the Nino banana, I liked it. So I have a happy face on the Nino banana. Another child will come and say, oh, my favorite banana was the red banana. So now, how are we going to do this? We're going to count the number of happy faces on the Nino. And let me show you how you would write it. If I have 2, I say 2 people liked the red banana and 0 people did not like it. What about the Nino banana? One person liked it and 1 person did not like it. Of course, you're going to have a lot more than this. I'm just showing you how you can graph it, how you can, there's so many different ways. You can have 2 lines for Nino banana and 2 lines for the red banana, and they can choose the like and dislike and then count it. There are so many ways, but I like to show children the different ways of writing the different numbers and the different choices, which they really enjoy to see all the different varieties. Remember, their little brain is just moving and moving in different directions, which they're ready to take in. After we finish this, we'll say, oh, so the class favorite is the red banana. So we will have more red bananas with our little snack that we do on our culminating review. We will have the red banana because that was the favorite of everybody. Now, we're ready to move into our literacy. Since we have been talking, and during this activity, we're also talking about the peeling, how it is slippery, how you don't drop it on the floor, because if you drop it on the floor and somebody steps on it, they're going to fall, and what's going to happen? You don't drop paper on the floor, you don't throw it to people. So based on this, we're learning what? To be responsible with the food that we eat. We've looked at a lot of books on bananas, we saw the cycle, but now we're going to read a book on being responsible with the food that we eat, with the snacks. And this is a great book on being responsible. It's a book about responsibility, and it's written by Mary Small. Very, very good literacy book to connect to the, remember we're talking about rules and responsibilities. So this is being responsible with animals, with the environment, not to throw litter, not to throw trash, pick it up if you see it, be responsible at home. Very, very good book to talk about responsibilities that I would highly recommend. So you see how we're connecting the science as well as safety, being safe with the food that we eat and the things that we're doing throughout the day. Now, how do we connect to technology? That is the most fun part of the fun. Our word for the day could be red bananas. So we're gonna put this on our computer and we're gonna look at all the different red bananas, bunches in the market where people are carrying them on their head, all kinds of pictures of red bananas. So they can look at this, or they can put in types of bananas on their computer. So what is our final? How do we review? How do we summarize? Tell me one thing that you learned or liked about one of these bananas. And let children express their view. Let them tell you how they feel. Oh, I like the red banana because it was sweeter. Or I like the Nino banana because it's small and less sweet. So let them just express their feelings. Let them tell you how they feel. Or they could even say, Or I learned that I need to be responsible when I eat a snack. I don't throw the trash on the ground or on the floor. I pick it up and put it in the trash can. So whatever they tell you, they're expressing their own feelings. So this concludes this lesson, and I'm going to show you how we conclude and how we do a culminating review with everything that you studied this whole week. Thank you.